The Madras High Court's landmark judgment on 29 September 2023 upheld the human rights of Vachathi villagers in Tamil Nadu, exposing state-orchestrated violence. In 1992, 300 officials attacked, raped 18 women, and detained 133 villagers. The court convicted 215, including government officials, under SC Cent Act and IPC, sentencing them to 1 to 10 years and fines. The court criticized the absence of command responsibility in such cases, emphasizing the need for legal amendments. The survivors, who faced public disclosure during trial, triumphed over an unfriendly system, highlighting the urgent need for systemic change in India's criminal justice system.
The 2023 Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Caitlin Carrico and Drew Weissman for their contribution to mRNA vaccine technology, pivotal in rapid COVID-19 vaccine development. However, the award raises questions about equitable access. Publicly funded research often becomes commercialized, leading to profits. mRNA vaccines by Moderna and Pfizer faced global supply disparities and challenges in poorer countries. COVAX fell short in ensuring fair access, while other non-patented vaccines like Corbevax demonstrated a different approach. The Nobel win highlights the complex interplay of scientific progress, commercial interests, and global health equity during the pandemic.
The 2023 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Caitlin Carrico and Drew Weissman for their pioneering work on mRNA technology, which paved the way for effective COVID-19 vaccines. This choice is unsurprising given the ongoing impact of mRNA vaccines in saving lives. Carrico and Weissman's collaboration, beginning in 2005, overcame hurdles related to mRNA delivery and inflammation reactions. Their breakthrough, teaching mRNA to instruct cells to produce COVID-19 surface proteins, became crucial during the pandemic. This Nobel recognition is significant for its acknowledgement of a woman scientist and highlights the transformative potential of persistent interdisciplinary research.
The ICC World Cup, cricket's major tournament, kicks off at Ahmedabad's Narendra Modi Stadium with defending champions England facing 2019 runners-up New Zealand. This 13th edition spans various Indian venues, culminating in the final on 19 November. Unlike previous editions with subcontinental co-hosts, India stands as the sole host, showcasing cricket's global reach. ODIs, often overshadowed by T20 leagues, regain significance in this quadrennial event. India, led by Rohit Sharma, faces the challenge of maintaining the host-winning trend. Despite key players returning from injuries, India's strong lineup and bowling options aim for success, with strong competition from England, Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, and Pakistan.
The Controller and Auditor General of India, CAG, Girish Chandra Murmu, emphasized the importance of ethical AI in auditing and warned against absolute dependence on artificial intelligence, citing the risk of inaccurate findings. He highlighted challenges like ensuring transparency, objectivity, and avoiding bias in AI auditing. Comparing with the EU's AI Act, which places restrictions and scrutiny on AI tools, Murmu suggested India needs AI regulation. CAG faces challenges in auditing AI systems due to data standardization issues and limited AI auditing frameworks. Murmu emphasized the need for ethics, authentic data sources, legal compliance, and collaboration with AI specialists in AI audit assignments.
The financial irregularities and money laundering allegations at Karuvannur Service Cooperative Bank in Kerala have exposed deep-rooted issues in the state's cooperative sector. Several cooperative institutions failed to return deposits, triggering panic among investors. The crisis, involving several crores, has put the ruling Communist Party of India, Marxist, on the defensive. The lack of professional expertise, political control, inadequate auditing, and transparency issues are at the core of the problem. Despite government promises to protect investments, the sector's credibility is severely eroded. Urgent overhaul, accountability, professionalism, and transparency are needed to restore public confidence.
During the recent special session of Parliament in India, Lok Sabha MP Ramesh Bidhuri of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) hurled communal slurs and abuse at Bahujan Samaj Party (BSP) member Kunwar Danish Ali. While complaints against Bidhuri were referred to the Lok Sabha's Privileges Committee, past data reveals a disparity in the number of suspensions during the terms of different political parties. Notably, the BJP members have not been suspended, while the majority of suspensions occurred during the NDA's terms, raising questions about fairness and consistency in disciplinary actions.
The Embassy of Afghanistan in Delhi has officially closed, marking a significant moment in India-Afghanistan relations. The embassy represented the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, which was deposed by the Taliban in August 2021. India has not recognized the Taliban as the de facto rulers and, as a result, the embassy played a symbolic role. While formal diplomatic ties have not been established, India and the Taliban have engaged in informal discussions. Pressure from other countries recognizing the Taliban, such as China, may lead India to reconsider its position. The consulates in Hyderabad and Mumbai will continue to function to support Afghan students, refugees, and traders.
On 20th September, Azerbaijan claimed full control over the Nagorno Karabakh region after local forces, mainly Armenians, agreed to disarm and disband. The disputed region, located within Azerbaijan's international borders, is primarily populated by ethnic Armenians and internationally recognized as part of Azerbaijan. Fresh violence erupted in September when Azerbaijan launched an attack against ethnic Armenian forces, leading to a ceasefire. The conflict over Nagorno-Karabakh dates back to the early 20th century, and it flared up in 2020, resulting in a 6-week war. Hundreds of ethnic Armenians have fled the region recently, causing a humanitarian crisis.
Circular migration involves individuals moving back and forth between their home country and a destination country based on employment availability. It differs from permanent or temporary migration, as people migrate for brief periods when work is accessible. Defining circular migration involves criteria like temporary residence, multiple entries, freedom of movement, legal stay, and protection of migrants' rights. Circular migration is increasingly viewed as a balanced approach to address economic needs while reducing negative impacts like brain drain. In India, internal migration has been mostly circular, particularly from rural to urban areas, creating challenges like exploitation, language barriers, and job precarity for migrants. Policymakers need to address these issues and integrate circular migrants better.